And because we're talking about books, I wanted to share one of my favorite books. The name of this book, the title, is The Surprise Garden. The Surprise Garden. The author of this book, that's the person that wrote the words, is Zoe Hall, and the illustrator, that's the person that drew the pictures, is Sherry Halpern. The Surprise Garden. Do you remember what this page is called? That's right, it's the title page. We're planting seeds for a surprise garden. Can you guess what we will grow? Now I want you to look at the seeds. Do you notice something about these seeds? They're not the same. They have all different kinds of seeds. I wonder what that means. What kind of plants will grow? We don't know. It's a surprise. First, we use our trowel and our rake to loosen the soil. Soil is another name for dirt. It means the same thing as dirt. Mom has given us each a handful of all kinds of seeds. Look at all the different shapes and sizes. Do you notice what they did with the seeds? They sorted them just like we sort things in our classroom. They sorted their seeds. We poke the seeds into the soil one by one. We have painted sticks different colors to mark the different kinds of seeds. So they put all the black seeds over here and all the green seeds over here and all the red seeds over here and the orange ones here. But do they know what's going to grow from those seeds yet? They don't know yet. We water the seeds and we wait for our surprise garden to grow. Okay, I see two of the things that plants need to grow: soil and water. Do you remember what the other thing is? Sunlight. Soon the seeds sprout into small green shoots. So they're very small. They just reached up out of the soil. We water the plants and the sun warms them. Our garden grows and it grows and it grows. On some plants, flowers bloom. Do you see the flowers growing on some of the plants? Before long, the petals fall off. Surprise! We see peas and beans and squash. Do they know what grew from the seed now? They do. Squash and peas and beans. Some plants' leaves grow close to the ground. Surprise! We have spinach and lettuce. Have you guys ever eaten spinach or lettuce? They're delicious. And what is growing here? Kennedy, this is one of your favorite things in the world to eat. Actually, a lot of you guys love broccoli and cauliflower. I see something on the leaf. Do you spot it? It's a ladybug. What else do you see? A butterfly. Is anything growing here? Surprise! We find carrots and radishes are growing under the ground. Do you see the carrot on the very bottom? Wonder what kind of seed they planted to grow a carrot. Here is the longest plant in our garden. Flowers bloomed on this plant too. Surprise! we find a big watermelon. Here is the tallest plant in our garden. Surprise! It's a sunflower. It is full of tasty seeds. The seeds are here. Have you eaten a sunflower seed before? They're delicious, aren't they? They have some salt on them and you crack them open and there's a little tiny seed inside. And sometimes at school we eat sunflower butter. They make it instead of peanut butter. It's kind of like peanut butter, but it's made from sunflower seeds. My pages are stuck. All summer long, the food in our surprise garden ripens, and we like to pick the food. So did their plants grow in one day? No. 2 days? No. They waited all summer. That's a lot of days and a lot of weeks. What do you guys think they're going to do with all of that food? Are you ready? And we eat it too. Surprise! We're having a garden party. Do you see all the wonderful things that they grew in their garden? Do you recognize some of this food? Maybe you recognize a watermelon or a carrot or lettuce, some broccoli and cauliflower and beans. So when they started this book, they had all different kinds of seeds. And I just ask you, if you're going to want to grow a carrot, what kind of seed do you think you would plant? That's right, you would plant a carrot seed. So if I wanted to grow a little watermelon, what kind of seed would I plant? Would I plant an apple seed? No. Would I plant a carrot seed? No. I would plant a watermelon seed. And if I wanted to grow oranges, what kind of seed would I plant? Would I plant a watermelon seed? No, I would plant an orange seed. And what about these? If I wanted to grow some bananas, what kind of seed would I plant? You're right, banana seeds. And we know that all plants need soil, water, and sun to grow. And those plants in our book, in the surprise garden, had all of those things. And it took a lot of days for them to grow, but they grew into something wonderful. I wonder if you could plant something. What kind of seeds would you plant? Here's what I would like for you to do. I want for you to find a piece of paper in your house, and you can use crayons or markers or even just a pencil. And I want you to draw something that you would like to grow in your garden. Take a picture of it and send it to me so I can see what you drew. And I would love for you to use some letters. Think about what you're drawing. Watermelon. And what letters would you use to write those kind of words?